And let's look at that again. So here's my camera. All right. I'm going to shoot out a ray. It's just a mathematical construct. All right. There is my Mandelbulb. All right. It's going to say, I think it's safe to do a step here, to do a sample. I think it's safe. I think it's safe. I think it's safe. Oh, I'm getting close. Going to cut it in half. 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 Bingo. I got a hit. That is the ray marching process right there. Understanding just this right here puts you in really good condition to be able to understand what's going on in order to render each of these pixels. All of this process right here, this whole process, all right, was just so that we could get one pixel on the screen.